Hi guys, welcome to my page. Welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. So what are we cooking today? We are cooking turkey soup. Yes, and first thing first, I'm going to parboil her turkey. Yes, we are going to parboil our turkey. And what are the things I'm using to spicing up the turkey? I use curry, thyme, pepper, ginger, garlic, nutmeg, salt, Maggi cube. Yes, I'm going to parboil it. After parboiling it, I'll put it in the oven. So let's start with our soup. Yes, I blended long pepper, bell pepper, onions, and tomato. Yes, as you can see, the thing I added on the pot inside the pot was vegetable oil and the blended pepper and Maggi cube. So let's check our fish and turkey. So it is ready. So before I added this turkey, I've already allowed the pepper to boil for some minutes before I added the turkey. Yes, so our soup is ready. Yes, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.